In front of me I've got CYRUS CS40, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So first of all, open the messages, go to a new one, and now, as you can see, we are currently set up with English. If you would like to change it, tap on the settings icon, pick languages, and select add keyboard. And here you've got all languages that you can use. The list is pretty wide, so you'll definitely find something suitable. We've got like thousands of languages here. Okay, so this is the end of the list, and now just pick the language that you would like to apply. Let me choose Hebrew. Tap on done, and then remove English. Let's go back, and as you can see, the keyboard language has been changed. And this is it. This is how you can smoothly, quickly, and easily change keyboard dictionary. Then, whenever you would like to change it again, just perform the same operation. So click on the settings, mark languages, click on add keyboard, pick the language that you would like to apply, tap on done, remove unnecessary language, mark it, tap on bin icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.